Guys, with cryptocurrencies crashing because of Russian hackers, we're going to be discussing that in today's video. I've also got some behind the scenes news, some secretive news I'm going to be sharing with you today, and I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out and there's only a short amount of time to buy. Guys, I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Also, congrats to all of my patrons who've been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we've made a lot of money. Guys, some huge news. A ransomware group actually demanded $70 million in Bitcoin from 200 US firms. Biden actually spoke out, contacted Putin, and told him he needs to get a grip on these Russian hackers that are demanding these monies. Guys, looking at CoinMarketCap, this news actually caused Bitcoin to drop almost 5%. With Cardano at $1.40, Ethereum at $2,200, and Dogecoin at 23 cents. Guys, yes, we did have a fall. We did have a crash. However, we are currently recovering. It's currently retracing and getting back to where it was before this news. Reports have told us that there's now 1 million machines that are infected with these hacking groups. These firms have finally spent the money necessary to encrypt their machines so that they are safe and protected. However, now they are demanding the monies that it costs them to encrypt their machines. Guys, what these hackers do is they decrypt the files of these firms. They go in, infecting these businesses, hitting them where it hurts. And then once they've gotten in, they demand money. When they demand money, these firms then have to think, well, do we want to pay them off? Then they might want even more money. Or should we just spend the money we needed to, first of all, to encrypt our machines even better and protect them and our clients the way they were always supposed to be? Guys, they're oftentimes taking the latter. They don't want to pay these Russian hacker groups. They know they're not going anywhere, especially if they do pay them for these horrible things that they've done. So these hacker groups spent a long time decrypting these files. They then have a key that they're trying to swap for that $70 million to give to these firms so they can undo all of the junk and all of the horrible things that they've done to their machines. Guys, we've been seeing lots of green days. Now, because of this news, a lot of cryptos went down about 5%, but we are recovering like I said. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. If you want to trade cryptos tax-free, use my iTrust Capital link in the top pinned comment. Also in the top pinned comment is my Webull link. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, it's a perfect platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on. Guys, I conjecture that towards the end of July, we'll have some massive pumps, possibly hitting some all-time highs. And you want to get in before that happens. You want to get in before these updates come out for Dogecoin, which is expected to be released towards the end of the month, because that will cause the price to skyrocket, and you don't want to get in while it's skyrocketing and having FOMO. You want to get in before this happens and wait for my trade alert so you know that it's the perfect time to buy in with only a short amount of time before seeing profits like we've seen time and time again. Guys, more news. Bitcoin's weekend price fades as exchange balances drop. What this means is when the balance of cryptocurrencies on the exchange gets removed and put into cold storage, put into crypto wallets, this means that they want to hold on to it for a very long time, with a lot of confidence in the future of crypto. This shows investors and gives them a bullish symbol to make people realize how much confidence is in that particular crypto, then often causing a new bull run and another pump very, very hard. And another very powerful pump ensues. Because we're seeing new lows for Bitcoin, expect to see a huge pump for Bitcoin coming, because with every dip, we have to have a peak. Guys, some more news. Ukrainian bank actually is going to offer Bitcoin trading and other cryptocurrency trading in their bank. We've already seen Germany agreeing to put $500 billion into Bitcoin. Guys, this is huge for a Ukrainian bank to want to do this. They have to pour millions of dollars into Bitcoin as well. They're actually going to offer a Bitcoin debit card too, which I think is pretty cool. Also, the Philippine Stock Exchange wants to offer and open up a crypto stock market, which means that they are being pushed to establish new laws surrounding crypto, only allowing for more mass adoption across the world. Guys, now's the perfect time to get in during these infancy stages, because if you wait until everybody else has gotten in, you will be the last and there will be no way to make money at that point. The rich people in crypto always get in early. Guys, with the new bull run happening any second now, with all of these countries jumping in, institutions jumping in, banks jumping in, you want to be in before it does go on that new bull run. It's going to be a chain reaction. People are going to have FOMO. They're going to wish they got in earlier, but they're still going to get in. This is going to drive the price up because people are going to have greed. You don't want to be in those shoes. You're already ahead of the rest watching this video and signing up for the trade alerts. So just keep an eye out for when I'm ready to buy and sell. It's safe to say that cryptos are on a massive discount right now, easily worth less than half of their actual value. Guys, just last night, Bitcoin broke down to $33.3 thousand. The next level of resistance down from that is 32,000. I don't think we're going to be hitting that, but we very well could. Guys, this may ensue a chain reaction, causing institutions to buy in and then seeing it bounce again harder, and the rest of the crypto market following along with it. Bitcoin has a strong bounce on the 2200 level. Expect for it to hit $3,000 very soon. With a new bull run, it wouldn't surprise me. Guys, it's very good to see large leaders like Ethereum and Bitcoin going down some. It allows for the smaller altcoins to have a chance to rise, to have more money poured into them. Guys, as you can see on the charts, just as I called out, we had an ascending triangle pattern right here. This showed us that we may very well have been going down, and sure enough, we got that dip that I called out. And just as predicted, when we hit the bottom of that dip and I let everybody know that it was time to buy, we then had green candlesticks, and just as I show you, we're headed straight up from here. Guys, it's still a good time to buy in, still a good time to get my trade alerts, because we're still at a very low price, very discounted price, and when these fundamental catalysts come out, including when Elon Musk tweets, expect for the price to go up from there. Expect to see Dogecoin hitting close to 30 cents just within the next week. With all the volatility, it gives us a chance to get in at these dips and then sell at the peaks. Guys, it is still a great time and an early time to get into crypto. With massive updates coming for Ethereum and Dogecoin, guys, I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date, but because of that, expect to see some huge pumps from both of them towards the end of this month. So guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Also, if you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. That's how you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a dip, that rare time to buy in when it's steep, when the whales have sold out and you only have about 5 or 10 minutes to get in at such a low price. I let you guys know that I'm buying in so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait till we've made at least 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my social in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.